everyone. I hope you're good. I hope you're doing well. I really hope you checked my first lesson. It was really interesting and we have some nice exercise on there. And if you don't know about this book, it's called African Fingerstyle for Beginners. You know, it's for everyone that has always wanted to know how to play the African music, especially the Central African music. So this is a very good start, a very good beginning. You know, we're gonna speak about a lot of topics. I really want you to check that out and you know, have a look. And if you do like, please do subscribe to the channel. Follow our lessons on Instagram, on YouTube, on the website, which is www.juba.co.za. And yeah, so for today's lesson, what we're looking for, we want to sound like this. Okay, so this is just the basics. It's fast, but we're gonna try to play it slow because anyway, rumba music, I mean African rumba, it's very slow. You know, it's very slow. So we're gonna take it slow. Don't worry about that. And what you have to know is that the aim for these exercises is for you to be familiar with arpeggios on your right hand and the change of chord on your left hand. All these techniques, you can apply them in anything. You know, in anything, in any style, any genre of music, you can apply that. Okay, so already for the beginning, what you have to know is the melody is still in the key of C. So basically the three chords that we're gonna use are F, G, F, and C. You know, and the fun thing with this is you can literally take anything from the second lesson and mix it up with the one we learned in the first lesson, you know. So you can mix them up so that you can have a variety of sound, of melodies. Okay, and let's get back to it. So when you are on the C, you're gonna start on the A string. Okay, so you start from the A string, you go to the D string, G string, and then B string. Alright, so you're gonna be. Alright, so we go. This is the way back now. We go A, D, G, B, and then we go back to the G, D. Okay, so it's gonna be. I think I should play it for you first so that you can have an idea of how it's gonna sound. It should be. Okay, so that's what we are looking for. So we start from the A string, D string, G string, B string. Okay, and then we go back now. We start from the G string, D string, and then we play the D. So it's empty here. So I do. I'm still holding the C on my left hand. Now it's empty. So basically I'm playing E, D, E, D. So it can be. And then you go to the F. So I'm using the D string, G string, B string, and E string. Okay, with the ring finger. Okay, I hope you can see properly. So that's my way, that's the first way, and the second way we're going up now. So you go. So literally it's the same thing we did here. Sorry. So I go down now. and then I go to the G string, the G chord, sorry. So I play the E string, G string, B string, and E string. Okay, so. And then I go back to the F with the same movement. Alright, so we're gonna have. Sorry. Alright. And we're done with the second lesson. And please make use of those PDF that we're gonna put the link in the description, so you can download and have a look on how it should look, how the chord should look, the melody and everything. It's gonna be much more easier for you to learn that way. If you did enjoy, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. See you later. Bye.